Welcome, guys. So today we won't be doing much. I want to quickly touch this question, and it is a question on probability slash set theory. It is a combination of both questions. As you can see, a coin tossed 3 times independently, or a coin is tossed 3 times independently. Find the probability of A, the event of getting at most 2 heads, B, the event of getting exactly 2 heads and 1 tail, then C, the event of getting at least 1 tail. So we're told that how many elements are in the universal set of all A, B, C, and C. Then element of A, B, and C, probability of each of the following sets, complement of the set, the symmetric difference, and the element of A union B intersection A union C. So that's what we're told to do it 3 times. So we tossed it the first time, we got a head and a tail. So we tossed this the second time, and we tossed this the second time. We have head and tail, head and tail. Then we are going to toss it the third time. Oh, sorry, I have to manage this. So we have head and tail, head, tail, head and tail. Then this one too, head and tail. So we are left with how many outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are left with 8 outcomes. So let us list the possible outcomes. We have head, head, head. Write it down. Head, head, head. We have head, head, tail. We have the first outcome, we have the second outcome. The third outcome is what? We have gotten head, 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 tail, tail. So we are done with this first part. Then we are left with the second part, which is what? Head, tail, tail, head. Sorry. Head, tail, head, head, tail, head, head, tail, 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 tail. We are done with this part. Then here we have tail, head, head, tail, head, tail, tail, head, tail. Then we have tail, tail, head. Then we have tail, tail, tail. So our total outcome here is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total of this is what? 8 outcome. This is our total outcome, which is 8. Therefore, let us go back to the first question and let's see. Find the probability that the event of getting at most 2 heads. So that's for A. Right, it's probability of A. Probability of having at most 2 heads. That's 1. At least we have 2 heads here. 2, 3, and 4. So probability of having at most 2 heads is what? 4 over 8. This is 1 over 2. That's probability of having at least at most 2 heads. Then the second one says the probability of getting exactly 2 heads and 1 tail. So probability of B is getting at least 2 heads, 1 tail. This 2 heads, 1 tail. So the probability of getting exactly 2 heads, 1 tail is what? That's 1 over 8. Probability of getting exactly 2 heads, 1 tail is just 1, which is 1 over 8. Then the next one is the event of getting at least 1 tail. So the event of getting, that's probability of C. Probability of C of getting at least 1 tail. So that is what we have. 1 tail here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 over 8. The probability of getting at least 1 tail is what? 7 over 8. Sorry about the noise, the background noise. So sorry about that. So that's the probability of getting it. So we are supposed to look for the universal set. That's our first question. A, we are looking for the universal set. Oh, sorry, let me zoom this in for you guys to see. Alright. So our universal set, which is denoted by U, is equal to this, our universal set here. You just copy and paste this. So that will be Our universal set is what? H H H H H T H T H H T H H T T. Sorry, because of my dress, I'm trying to be fast as possible. H T T T H H T H T T T H and T T T. We should look for the elements of A, B, and C. A, B, and C. So element of A is what? The event of getting at least 2 8, and that is what? H H H. So when it's at least 2 8, that means it can be more than 2. H H T H T H and T H H. So that's the element of A. Then for the element of B is what? Exactly 2 head 1 tail. 2 head 1 tail is just 1. 2 head 1 tail. That's H H T. Then the element there is getting at least 1 tail. So H H T H T H H T T T H H T H T T T H and T T T. So we are done with getting all of the elements. The next question says probability of each of the 3 elements, which we have done here. We have done probability of getting each of the 3 elements, which is 4 over 8, 1 over 8, and 7 over 8. This is the probability here. Probability is the amount of the elements divided by the total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes is 8, and this is the number of elements here. So that's how we got all of this here. So the next question here is the complement of this element and their probability. So that's not hard. The complement is represented by this sign here, or so whenever I see something like this, I'm talking about the complement of a set, and it's still the same thing. So you can pick any of the two. So I think I should go with the first one. So the complement of this, that is the element of A removed from the universal set, is like the difference of it. So that's HHH is there, HHT is there, HTH and THH. So we pick the ones that are not there. That's HTT, THT, TTH and TTT. So and their probability is what? So the next question is you are going to look for the symmetric difference of what? A and B, symmetric difference of A and B. So it is denoted by this sign, which is equals to A difference B union B difference A. So this is what I'm talking about. So we have to look for A minus B is equals to what? A minus B. Once you take HHT, so you are left with us HHH, HTH and THH. B minus A. So from B minus A, this is B minus A. So we are left with what? Nothing. Because all of what we have here, if we minus it from here, we are left with null set. We are left with empty set rather. So this is what we have left. Then to look for the difference, you find the union of both. Therefore, is equal to HHH, HTH, THH. Yeah, that's the difference. So we have done a lot so far. So I want you guys to look for the element of A union B. Let me zoom this out. So A union B is what? We'll be left with. So we'll be left with what? H H H H H T H T H T H H. Then A union C will be equals to H H H H H T H T H H T T. After HTT, we have THH. We have THT. So after THH, THT, TTH, and TTT. Therefore, you can now look for the intersection of both of these. That's A union B intersection A union C, which is equals to what is common? Sorry, H H H H H T H T H and T H H. So that's all for today. Kindly like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and you can also share it with your friends. So one of my friends shared this question with me, I decided to share it with you guys. Thank you very much guys for watching. See you in our next class. Thank you. After THH, THT, TTH, and TTT. Therefore, you can now look for the intersection of both of these. That's A union B intersection A union C, which is equals to what is common? Sorry, H H H H H T H T H and T H H. So that's all for today. Kindly like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and you can also share it with your friends. So one of my friends shared this question with me, I decided to share it with you guys. Thank you very much guys for watching. See you in our next class. Thank you.